Well, howdy there pluckers, Arthur Sawfingers again with you. Thanks indeed for joining me for another guitar lesson. This one is another really oldie but goldie from the 60s from the Kinks, and a song called Where Have All the Good Times Gone. Standard tuning, capo, no capo on this one, and doing it in the same key that the Kinks originally recorded the song in. Okay, so without more to do, I'm going to go through the intro, verse 1, chorus 1, verse 2, chorus 2, and then I'll put the outro on it, okay, and then I'll break it all down and show you exactly how I did it, and you'll have everything you need to play the song. There's nothing else in it really but the intro and verses and choruses, okay, and the outro is actually the same as the intro. Okay, so here we go, singing as usual for reference purposes only. Open up and shout it out, but never try to sing. Wondering if I've done wrong. Will this pressure last for long? Won't you tell me where have all the good times gone? Where have all the good times gone? Well, once we had an easy ride and always felt the same. Time was on our side and I had everything to gain. Let it be like yesterday. Please don't let me have a happy day. Won't you tell me where have all the good times gone? Where have all the good times gone? Where have all the good times gone? Something like that. Okay, you get the idea. Right, so let's get to it. It's a fairly simple song, this. Okay, so it starts off with a G bar chord, okay, then an F bar chord, and then a D chord. Single strum on each one, nice firm strum. Okay, like that. And the second time, it's the same again for the G and the F. But the D you start to sort of do downstrokes on, okay? And then a D7th. Sort of down, 8 sort of stroke downstrokes on each chord there. On the D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So the whole intro. To the verse, okay, and the verse is just basically G to F, back to G to F, G to F, okay. Well, I live my life, I never start to worry about a thing. Open up and shout it out, and never try to sing. Right, now we go to C, wondering if I'd done A minor. I'm playing it as a bar chord. You can play it down here if you want, okay. I'm playing it as a bar chord, okay. So it's wondering if I'd done wrong, and then to a G and then to an F. Okay, so it's okay. So wondering if I'd done wrong. Will this pressure last for? And then the D to D7 again. Won't you? And then the chorus comes in, and that's just G to F. Won't you tell me? So. Won't you tell me when have all the good times gone? Where have all the good times gone? Just keep going. Second verse. But once we had an easy ride and always felt the same. Time was on our side and everything was it to gain. Let it be like yesterday. Will they let me have a happy day? Repeat the chorus. Won't you tell me where have all the good times gone? Where have all the good times gone? Verse 3. I'll look back and so on, okay? So you just do another verse, another chorus, and then another verse and another chorus, but the last chorus they just repeat the "Where Have All the Good Times Gone." So it goes, won't you tell me where have all the good times gone? Where have all the good times gone? Where have all the good times gone? Now we play the intro again. G, finish. Okay, so the last chorus, it just doubles up on the "Where Have All the Good Times Gone," and then we do the intro again and we finish on a G. Okay, and that's it. So it's as simple as that. Thanks very much for watching. The only thing that somebody may have asked me about is the strumming, especially on the chorus. It's won't you tell me? It's like a. So I can't do it slowly now. It's that sort of thing. Okay, hopefully that might help with the strumming. Okay, but just listen to it. You can actually hear what's going on with the strumming on this song. It's fairly slow. Okay, but that's where I make it. It's like a bum 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 bum. Okay, something like that. Okay, so there you are. Hopefully that'll help you play that song, and I'll see you in the next video.